You can carve more or less any wood, but for our purposes, the way I carve, European carving, the carving wood, the wood we use is very, very specific. I've got a piece here. This is a piece of lime wood, European lime. The equivalent in the States would be basswood. What's really good about this wood is it's very even grain, takes the cuts very evenly, and it's quite a sort of nondescript colour or figuring, and that's important so we can see the tool marks in it. So this is a sort of wood I'd like you to use. There's lots of other options, and I'm putting a few of those into the download. Now, if I can give you one bit of advice, it's this. You need wood that's going to support your carving. So please don't stint on the carving wood. It's always a fraction of the job. There's going to be a lot of time and effort put into this work as a carver. So I, for one, always want to use the best wood. So don't use wood from the log pile, and please don't just go to a builder's merchant and get some sort of ordinary pine that might be used for a plank or something. Good carving wood. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this piece of wood and I'm going to turn it, to begin with, into this, which is a sample board. So all the different cuts that we're going to do in the next section, these will be present on here for reference for you. I'm also going to do a low relief carving on it. So you will need two pieces of wood exactly like this, with the grain going along this way. The size is something more or less like a piece of printing paper. In Britain, this size is A4. In America, it's a little bit bigger, but that really doesn't matter. 8 1/4, 210 millimeters this way, 11 3/4, 300 along the grain this way. So get yourself at least two pieces like that, two good pieces of carving wood, and then some other pieces that you can practice on, some offcuts or whatever. That doesn't matter exactly, as long as it's nice and flat and you can work on it.